Check it out. We just installed the 2005 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. This piano black trim is going to look awesome in this car, making it feel brand new. This device has top-of-the-line specifications. It's backed by talented technical support in Raleigh, North Carolina, and it's going to support aftermarket front and back cameras. If you had a reverse camera in your top mirror, it will stay in your mirror. This is wireless Android Auto. You can see a lot of powerful apps and features. Because this device did not have a factory microphone, we added an aftermarket one. We can trigger the Google Voice Assistant here. Hey Google, how's the weather in Raleigh, North Carolina?
Right now in Raleigh, it's 88 degrees and cloudy. Today, it'll be rainy with a forecasted high of 89 and a low of 75.
One of the coolest things about this device is the Hamilton underlying operating system. If we touch exit here, you can see this is the Hamilton underlying operating system that supports powerful apps and features not available in CarPlay or Android Auto. We've also got a full installation and pairing video for CarPlay users. This device will support many apps from the Google Play Store. You can power it either using your phone's hotspot when you're not connected to CarPlay or Android Auto, or you can use the Hamilton Connect. It's an optional 4G SIM card that we include in the package. And for an extra fee per month, you can have a native 4G connection on this device, similar to the newest cars on the market. Most folks will be using their phone hotspot, and that 4G SIM is entirely optional. If your car had steering wheel controls, this device will support them. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company. This unit is backed by our talented technical support in Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm now going to show you how to pair and set up Android Auto. Come to Settings, Connected Devices, Pair a new device. We're going to look for a device starting with Hamilton. When you see it, you'll go ahead and touch it. There it is. Now, approve, allow access to contacts and favorites. We'll wait about 20 seconds that first time. It'll start to load, and then wireless Android Auto will appear on the screen. And if Android Auto does not automatically appear on the screen, just select it here, and there it is, wireless Android Auto. If you have any questions, check out our help center at help.hamiltonmotorcompany.com.